Friends, Running Kimono here. So Dollar General, there are rumors, whispers, but apparently these are the dates for the next clearance event that will include the clearance section in Planogram, which is October the 7th to the 9th. So next Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, get an additional 50% off of clearance merchandise. Visited 2 stores yesterday. I'll show you some quick videos of stuff I was finding. I have fresh new videos that will be put out next week with the matchups for all of this. With the digital coupons we're working with next week. That's why it can't come out right now, because I need the digital coupons that show up on Sunday. And just to let you guys know, there was a ton of stuff, and it was pretty spectacular. So this is going to be a very good clearance event. The clearance event typically happens 4 times a year: January, March, June, and October. So this is the last one of the year. What I would suggest, what you can do right now, is obviously go to your local store and see which one might be worth your time to go shopping. Because that's the thing that we hear a lot of people, they just can't find stuff. So you got to scout a store, that has a lot of good stuff in the clearance section, and just go right to the clearance section. For example, this store, even though it might look a bit chintzy on the ends, the center, which is the cleaning stuff, which us extreme couponers love to stock up on, that right there, wow. This is absolutely worth your time. After work, or when you have a free moment this weekend, go out to a couple stores and see what store might have some nice clearance. Usually all the areas have a clearance section. Alternatively, a lot of stores, because I visited 4 stores yesterday, they're starting to put a lot of stuff in carts, and then they're staging it towards the front of the store. Because during the clearance event, a lot of stores will have tables of stuff and just say, like, here's everything on sale. Come and get it, buy it all. So the average shopper will see it and be like, wow, I need to buy all of that. And it's staged very beautifully and identical items. But a lot of the stuff that was in the clearance section, it's all ending up at the front of the store in totes and bins and in carts. So this is another telltale sign that, yes, your store is participating. When the sale is happening, this is usually when you see clusters of, or whatever they have extra of the clearance stuff in these gray totes. They end up at the front of the store. So that is another clue for you guys. Because if you ask about the clearance event, probably some staffers will have no idea. Some may. I haven't seen an official memo as of yet, but it's come from some excellent sources that I think, yes, this is the real deal. This is happening. And also the way they're staging the stores around here. Yeah, it's happening. Now, as I told you guys, I visited like 4 stores. This store, for example, they have their Christmas display of the Glade and the Airwick and all that magic and the Febreze down there. And then they also have a bunch of clearance stuff like sandwiched in there. And on first blush, you wouldn't even know that this was clearance stuff, but yes, it is. And I don't know why it's staged that way. But sometimes in stores like this, where it's kind of, a little bit messy, or they just put everything together, this is where you can find a lot of unicorns, especially if there's a lot of shoppers in your area. Another item that will be part of this is the planogram, which are these orange tags on items. Once I see the planogram list, I'll hopefully make a video as well. But sometimes this is also the wild card. So say you live in a bigger city where there's nothing, like the clearance section is like, it's empty all the time, or they don't have one. Sometimes with planogram, you can find items that are reduced on the shelf and then get an extra 50% off, and that's where it's magic. Why is the sale happening? Why? We're getting close to Christmas, and they're really going to want to start selling all these larger items that they need to make room for on their floors. So that's why they want to, sell a lot of like the summer green dot and a lot of the clearance stuff that's been in the store for a couple of months. Give an extra 50% off of items. So an item, for example, that's like $2, it'll be down to $1 with a $1 digital coupon. You possibly could get it for free, but this Christmas stuff, they want to start moving. That is why. So next week, guys, probably Monday or Tuesday, I'll have the very informative video of all of my matchups with digital coupons on how to get the stuff for the absolute cheapest rock bottom price. This is very exciting, especially if you love Dollar General clearance event. I love to get items completely cheap or free with this event, and it's basically our Super Bowl as extreme couponers. When you can get carts and carts of stuff for under like $5 or free with one of the rebate apps, that's when it's really, really cool. That Clorox wand that I'm seeing everywhere is going to be like $2. There's a couple items that's giving overage as well. That's going to be free. So the math equations are already floating upstairs in my brain. I can't wait to start working on these videos because it's going to be super duper. I have just under 200 slides of items, guys. Like, I went crazy photographing stuff yesterday. So please make sure to like this video and subscribe for future content I will have early next week on this event. My goodness gracious, it's going to be amazing. As always, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.